Now we will move to non-economic activities. Let's understand this non-economic activity with the help of few examples. As we all know the meaning about it, that the main motive behind it is not to earn money but to satisfy the human wants, to satisfy our personal needs. So there are few activities by doing that we satisfy our wants, like some social activities. What is this social activities? The activity when we get together with our friends, with our relatives. Like when you have your birthday, you invite your friends. When your friends have a birthday, they invite you. So this gathering, this attending this birthday parties, or you go to some marriage of your relatives, why do you do that? Not with the intention of earning money, but for personal satisfaction, to show them that you really care for them. That's why you are attending their parties. The second activity which you do for your personal satisfaction is religious activities. Religious activities that we go to the place of worship. Why do we go to the place of worship? Not with the intention of earning any money, but to pray, to ask from God what we want, right? To pray for our health, to pray for our families, to pray for our friends. Okay, so we attend social parties, we go to the place of worship to satisfy our wants. The third activity that we do, that we give donations, we give charity to poor. Have we ever give any alms to poor? Yes, we all do. Why do we do that? To help that person. Our intention is to help that poor. Okay? Our intention is never to earn money from that poor, but to help him or her. Next activity is parental activities. What is parental activities? From the very word parental, we can think that it is related to our parents. Your mother shows love to you, right? She cares for you, she cooks for you, she does so much for you. Your father does so much for you. Why do they do that? Do they want any money from you? No, they do it because they love you. Your parents loves you. That's why they care for you so much. Next is recreational activities. Recreational activities. This is a new word, right? Have you ever heard about this word, recreational activity? It is for our enjoyment. Like we play cricket or we play football. I like football. Okay? Sometime we watch TV. No, not sometime, every time. Right? So why do we do that? For our satisfaction. So these are recreational activity. Okay? Last is political. There are many actually real life example. I'm just keeping it simple for you all. So last is political activity. Political activity means the government of our country. Why do that? They work for us. They put street lights. They provide us water. They provide us road. Right? Why do they do that? They charge money for that? No. They do it for the society as a, or for all, right? Not for one person. So this is political activities. Okay, children?